Hello everyone, welcome all of you to study at home. Today topic is removal of adverb TOO2. TOO2 is used in negative sense or more than required. Rules of remove to. Remove means हटाना. TOO2 को हटाना. If the structure of a sentence is subject, verb, TOO2, adjective or adverb to first form. Pattern for remove TOO2 will be subject, verb, so in the place of TOO2, adjective, adverb, that in the place of TO2. Pronoun according to the subject can, could, can't, couldn't, rest of the sentence. Can, could, can't, couldn't depends on the tense. If tense is present tense, we use can in positive, can in positive, can't in negative. Could is the past of can and couldn't is the past of can't. Example: the coffee is too hot for me to drink. कॉफ़ी मेरे लिए, मेरे पीने के लिए गर्म है. The coffee is so hot that I can't drink it. कॉफ़ी इतनी गर्म है कि मैं इसे पी नहीं सकता. The meaning is same of the both sentence, but the structure is different. We remove TOO2 and 2 from the simple sentence to make complex. To make complex, we use so and that. We use so in the place of TOO2, that in the place of to. And here we use I because coffee is too hot for me, मेरे लिए. It means I can't drink it. मैं इसे पी नहीं सकता. It is transformation because in the transformations we don't change the meaning but we change only structure. Here we make simple into complex. Simple TOO2 and 2, so this sentence belong to simple sentence and we use here so that to make complex. The news is too good to be true. News इतनी अच्छी है सत्य होने के लिए. It means that news is so good, news इतनी अच्छी है that it can't be true, कि यह सत्य नहीं हो सकती. Meaning is the same. Here we use so in the place of TOO2 and that in the place of TO2. It is never too late to learn. Here TOO2 and 2. It is never too late to learn. सीखने के लिए कभी देरी नहीं होती है. It never so late that one can't learn. इतनी देरी कभी नहीं होती है कि कोई सीख ना सके. It means कोई भी व्यक्ति कभी भी सीख सकता है. Meaning is the same, but to make complex or to remove TOO2 we use here so and to T2 we remove 2 and use here that in the place of TO2. We can change this sentence also in this way. It is never so late that it can't be learned. इतनी देरी कभी नहीं होती कि इसको सीखा ना जा सके. Meaning is same. We use here so in the place of TOO2 and that here TO2 and it here for the it. सीखने के लिए, इट के लिए. third person. He was too weak to walk. He was too weak to walk. वह कमजोर, इतना कमजोर था to walk, चलने के लिए. It means he was so weak that he could not walk. वह इतना कमजोर था कि वह चल नहीं सकता था. Was is the past of is. Here we use could because the sentence belongs to the past. Was. Mr. Satinder is too truthful to be a successful property dealer. Mr. Satinder इतने ट्रूथफुल हैं एक सफल प्रॉपर्टी डीलर होने के लिए. Mr. Satinder is so truthful that he cannot be a successful property dealer. Mr. Satinder इतने ट्रूथफुल हैं कि वे एक सफल प्रॉपर्टी डीलर नहीं बन सकते. Meaning is the same. Here we use so in the place of two. We remove to and we use here so. Here removing to we use that, and in such a way we make simple sentence into complex. The class was too noisy. It is also past. Here T2 is not here. It is here only two. In this kind of sentence we use extremely noisy, over noisy also. So we use here extremely noisy, but we can use here over, or means out of limit you can say. The class was too noisy. क्लास में बहुत अधिक शोर था. It means इतना शोर नहीं होना चाहिए. In the negative sense, the class was extremely noisy. Now you can learn how we remove two and two from the simple sentence to make complex. I think that it is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video.